Hey you guys, let's do an unboxing. Alright, so I got a gift set from Shay's Organic Skincare and Meta Spa. Alright, first we have Shay's Moisturizer and Wax. Then we have the Shay's Toning and Glow Lotion. Then we have the oil. I've been using this, as y'all can see. This works good. Matter of fact, let me put some on right now for you. Just a little bit. Know if y'all can see the oil. Baby, look at that glow. Look at that shine. Yeah, okay. Y'all need to get some, but let me continue to unpack, okay? Then we have some warm water Victorious soap. Then we have Lavender Kiss. Then we have All Natural Bee Honey. Baby, when I tell you I've been using this soap, I got this package on Monday. Today is Wednesday. Look at this. Look at the comparison. Baby, this soap right here. Baby, she did her thing. When I tell you it lathers real good, it lathers real good. Okay, she did her thing. This is another moisturizer. Another bar of lavender. And then another bar of Lavender Kiss. Okay, so I got two bars of this, but y'all seen that I already used one. Have another one, Pea Scents. More soap, lavender as well. Lavender, the best. I love so far. I haven't tried the rest of them, but this one is the best by far. The natural. More lavender and Lavender Kiss. I'm sorry, warm water. Sorry. This one smells like peppermint. And then I have another jar of moisturizer. Okay. One more. Okay. We have Shay's Toning Glow and Cream. Then we have sunscreen. Then we have the soap. And then we have the serum. Alright, you guys, it also comes with a list of instructions how to use her product. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how much this soap lathers really good. So we about to lather up with it. Look at it. When I tell you it lathers and make your skin feel so soft, oh my God, it feels so good. So good.